What's up, y'all? OG here at Bulldog BBQ. Today we are doing some hamburger bites. I just got the coals lit up, so give that about 15-20 minutes, throw some wood on there. In the meantime, let's go get the stuff we need ready and stay tuned. All right, let's get this going. So here I got a pound and some change of ground beef. Put that on there. Got some cubed up cheddar cheese. About 3 Fresno hot peppers. Let's do about a couple of dollops of Wagyu tallow, and no, since we did the tallow, we don't need the eggs, I think. And just get up in there, boy. Mix it up. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of the tallow, and that should be fine. Just mix up the ingredients. I'm gonna use my own seasoning called the shroopty. Throw a little bit on there. Just mix it in. A little more some for the kids. And now we're just gonna make the little bites off of that. So stay tuned. All right, so now I guess you just get a good something like that. Flatten it a little bit on the top. Get a pickle. And then you get some of this bacon. Then you just swoop it up like that. Pretty simple. And we'll get another one. You know, it's just some sort of appetizer. Mother Day's coming up, so you know we gotta have a couple of functions. You know, this is a perfect appetizer. Just like that. Try to get a good balance of the cheese, the peppers, and yeah. So after all that, it should look like this. Just, you know, bless it a little bit with some more seasoning on the top. I'm gonna get the other side. Just bless it a little bit. There we go. So I did say it's hamburger bites, but you know, I'm 6'7", so those hamburger bites might look like hamburger bombs. So let's just call them hamburger bombs, but we're gonna smoke them at 275 for about an hour until the bacon is done. I never done this. I just made this recipe. If it's out there, thank you whoever did it. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so these hamburger bombs are ready. That's how they look. Very easy recipe. Got the cheese coming out, so let's just take a bite on it. Hell yeah. Cheese melted the pickle right there. It's just a swat out. That's all I gotta say. If you like this, just do your thing. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. See you in the next one.